Hello friends, welcome to a new video from Indian Talents. Let us talk about today's episode of Big Boss. The episode everyone was waiting for this week has finally arrived, and it's the weekend episode with Nagarjuna Garu. He starts the episode with an amazing dance with the dance crew in his usual style and charm. Few visuals of the housemates talking through the previous day, which was not shown before, was shown on the screen. Monal and Akhil was seen talking about Sujata and Lasya, and Abhijit and Harika were talking about the trust issues with others in the house. A sponsored task was given to the housemates where they had to cook, eat, and dance. So every person among the Big Boss housemates tried their best, and Kumar Sai and Mehboob tried till the end. Even though Kumar Sai did a less more steps than Mehboob, Mehboob had tried his best and gave more efforts, but Kumar Sai was declared the winner by Big Boss. It's time that Nagarjuna went to the screens and talked to the housemates. He right away entered into a major task, that is of an officer who is being producing a culprit, and of course if the culprit wants, and a lawyer can support him, but the judges would be the remaining contestants sitting on the seats. The other judges were given the votes option to do yes or no, and if more yes comes, the person will be declared as criminal or innocent in the other case. So the first officer was Ariana, and she called up Amma Rajshekhar, and the judges ruled it out as innocent. Sujata picked up Sohel, and Mehboob defended Sohel. Now, yet again, Sohel was picked up by Amma Rajshekhar of the crimes. Meanwhile, Nagarjuna Garu took a break from the task and used his time to appreciate Monal for trying her best to speak in Telugu. In the initial weeks, she was seen very hard in talking Telugu and usually used to talk in Hindi and English. But at the same time, he also warned Abhijit and Harika because they used to talk in English multiple times continuously, and it was surely a violation of Big Boss law. Now, coming back to the task, Sohel picked up Divi, and later Akhil picked up Amara Shekhar. Avinash chose Divi to be a criminal and presented in front of the court. Lasya had picked up Swati, and Monal became the officer and blamed Abhijit for mistake she felt he did. So the final thing was a task of elimination that everyone was eagerly waiting for. The housemates were given a gun that they can try and shoot at their own heads. After the few rounds, everyone was safe, but in the last one, a gunshot was heard, and Swati, who became the last wildcard entry of the house, was eliminated. Even in our public votes, Mehboob and Swati received almost very close amount of votes. In the public votes we published, Swati was seen just above 150 votes. And when Big Boss team has the authority to pick up from the last two, surely they would have gone for Mehboob and saved him instead of Swati, because Swati's contribution in the house was very much less, but Mehboob has been improving in the past 2 3 days. Let us wait what will happen in the Sunday episode. Maybe there would be a double elimination in case if one person will be eliminated tomorrow. Let us wait and watch how the events will turn out. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned with us for the latest updates and news about Big Boss.